ng palagpasin to. So kung nalilito kayo kung ano ang tinitingnan nyo, ito po ay si Kim Taehyung. Ayan, nakalagay naman ang pangalan. This is V. I'm not sure if this is an album or if this is a photo book, but damn, this is artistic. Napaka-sexy, and I love that in all of his solo projects, he is so androgynous. Alam niyo yung may halong masculinity and femininity? Only he can do that. I cannot wait to see yung colored version. I cannot wait to see the other pictures. Even the positioning of his body is so artistic. Tingnan nyo naman guys, hindi yan basta nakasandal lang. Nakapoint ang toes. It goes with the fluidity, the motion of the body. Hindi siya boring na basta nakasandal lang. Ang ganda. Okay, alam naman natin na itong Twinkie body na ito ay wala na because he is now a daddy. I mean, what else can we say but wow? Alam ba ng asawa mo to?